Namaste, Masha Kushwagutia, myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today topic is Borax medicine, common name borate of sodium, gastrointestinal irritation, salivation, nausea, vomiting, colic, diarrhea, collapse, albuminuria, cast and vesicle spasm, delirium, visual changes, hematuria, and skin eruptions have all been observed from overdosing. Rate of downward motion in nearly all complaints for homeopathic purpose. The peculiar nervous symptoms are very characteristic and have frequently been verified, especially in the therapeutics of children, of much value in epilepsy, aphthous ulceration of mucous membrane, mind symptoms, extreme anxiety, especially from motion, which have a downward direction, rocking, being carried downstairs, laid down, anxious expression of face during the downward motions, starts and throw up hand on laying patients down as if afraid of falling, excessively nervous, easily frightened, sensitive to sudden noise, violent fight from report of a gun even at a distance, fear of thunder, head symptom, a case with nausea and trembling of whole body, hair tangled at tips, cannot be separated as in plica polonica, other medicine vinca minor, eye symptom, lashes turn inward, vision of bright waves, eyelid inflamed, lids cut against eyeball, entropium, ear symptom, very sensitive to slightest noise, not so much disturbed by louder ones, nose symptom, red nose of young woman, other medicine natrum cough, red and shining swelling with throbbing and tense sensation, tip swollen and ulcerated, dry crust, face pale, earthy with suffering expression, swollen with pimples on nose and lips, feeling of cobwebs, mouth apthy, white fungus-like growth, mouth hot and tender, ulcer bleed on touch and eating, painful gum boil, crying when nursing, taste bitter, other medicine Bryonia, Pulsatilla cuprum, taste of cellar mold, stomach and abdomen, distension after eating, vomiting, gastralgia depending upon uterine disturbance, pain as if diarrhea would result, stool, loose, peppy, offensive stools in children, diarrhea offensive preceded by colic, stool, mucus with aphthous, sore mouth, urine symptom, hot smarting pain in orifice, pungent smell, child afraid to urinate, screams before urinating. Other medicines are sarsaparilla, small red particles on diaper, female labor pain with frequent erections, lactoria, in nursing pain in opposite breast, leukorrhea like white of eggs, with sensation as if warm water was flowing, menses too soon, profuse with gripping, nausea and pain in stomach, extending into small of back, membranous dysmenorrhea, sterility, favors e.g. conception, sensation of distension in clitoris with sticking, pruritus of vulva and eczema, respiratory, hacking and violent cough, expectoration, moldy taste and smell, stitches in chest with inspiration and cough, cough with moldy taste, breath smells moldy, pleurodina was upper part of right chest, arrest of breathing when lying is oblique to jump and catch breath, which causes pain in right side, out of breath on going upstairs, extremities feeling as of cobweb on hands, itching on back of finger, joint and hands, throbbing pain in tip of thumb, stitches in sole, pain in heel, burning pain in great toe, inflammation of ball of toes, eczema of toes and finger with loss of nails, skin psoriasis, erysipelas in face, itching on back of finger joints, unhealthy skin, slight injuries, suppurate, herpes, erysipelatous inflammation with swelling and tension, chilblains relieved in open air, trade eruptions on fingers and hands, itching and stinging, hands of hair become tangled, sleep, voluptuous dreams, cannot sleep on account of heat, especially and head, cries out of sleep as if frightened, other medicine belladonna, modalities, worse, downward motion, noise, smoking, warm weather after menses, better pressure, evening, cold weather. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Humans University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.